Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, my name is Muhammad Fauzan, and in this video I will explain to you all what is National Trade Policy Formula A. In today's interconnected world, will structure national trade policies are critical for economic development and global marketing participation. This presentation provides an overview of the key elements involved in formulating effective trade policy. We will explore the current context of international trade, strategy policy frameworks, and the role of data and technology in shaping trade agreements. Additionally, we will address the challenge in policy development and offer recommendations for inclusive and sustainability trade practice. The aim is to encourage innovation and collaboration in the global trade landscape, ensuring that national policies are evidence-based and engage all stakeholder efficiency. Next, the current context of international trade. Global trade has seen significant shift in recent years. In 2023, the value of global trade surpassed $32 trillion according to UNCTAD. The COVID-19 pandemic has had a profound impact, creating both challenges and opportunities for recovery and growth. Key aspect: global trade value exceeds $32 trillion in 2023. COVID-19 impact trade with varied recovery trend. US, China competition, this hampering dynamic, rise of regional trade agreement. Trade dynamic. The shifting dynamic include the ongoing US-China competition and the increased preference of regional trade agreement. This factor contribute to be a complex environment require careful navigation by policymakers and business alike. Next is key element and trade policy formulation. Trade policy formulation involves several critical elements, including traffic quotas and trade functional facilitation measure. This measure directly impact the flow of goods and services across border. Traffic quotas and trade facilitation use a traffic to control flow of goods and services. Non-traffic measure. Importance of regulation in international trade. WTO and regional agreement alignment with international standard. Moreover, non-tariff measure and regulation play an increasingly significant role in international trade. It's essential that these policies align with the guidelines set forth by the World Trade Organization. Next is stakeholder in trade policy making. Effective trade policy formulation require the active participation of various stakeholders. Each bring unique perspective and interest. These stakeholders include government, trade and finance minister, the private sector, civil society, and international organizations. Government plays a crucial role in policy direction. Private sector, exporter, importers, and trade associate. Civil society, consumer advocacy, and NGO influence trade decision. Next, strategic trade policy framework. Several strategy trade policy framework guide national approach to international trade. This framework include export-led growth strategy and the choice between protectionist and free trade approach. Export-led growth focus on boosting exports to drive economic growth. Free trade reduce barriers to encourage trade flow. protectionism, protect domestic industry from foreign competition. Export and growth strategies aim to boost economic growth by focus on increasing export. The choice between protectionist and free trade approach depends on a national specific economic goals and opportunities. For example, ASEAN export promotion policies have been instrumental in fostering regional economic integration and growth. Challenge in national trade policy development. Developing effective national trade presents several challenges. These challenges include balancing domestic and international interests, addressing complaints with global trade rules, and managing trade deficits and currency volatility. Balancing interests, reconciling domestic needs with global requirements. Global compliance with meeting WTO standards can be complex. Managing deficits, addressing current volatility. One notable example in the US, steel and aluminum tariff imposed in 2018, which aim to protect domestic industry but also spark trade tension with other countries. Addressing this challenge requires careful consideration and strategic planning to mitigate potential negative impact. Next is role of data and technology in policy formulation. Data and technology play an increasingly critical role in trade policy formulation. Data-driven trade modeling and simulation enable policymakers to access the potential impact of trade policy and make informed decisions. Data-driven modeling, simulation to access trade impact, digital tools enhance accuracy and policy projection. AI analytic facility EU policymaking. Policy case study successfully national trade reform. South Korea trade liberalization from the 1980 to 2000 offer valuable lessons for developing economy. The period saw significant reduce in traffic and enhanced investment in research and development. Number one, traffic reduction, lower trade barrier to boost global trade. Number two, R&D investment, enhance innovation and competitive. Number three is economic growth, increase economic activity. Next is inclusive trade. For foster inclusive trade, it is essential to balance industrial support with global competitive. Promoting green trade policies and stability is also crucial for long-term economic health. Additionally, strengthening reciprocal in regional trade blocks and expanding digital trade framework are key priorities. 45% green investment, 13% regional trade, 25% digital trade, startup growth. And in the last page, we have conclusion. In conclusion, effective national trade policy formulation require a comprehensive understanding of the current context, strategy framework, and the role of data and technology. It is imperative to balance domestic and international interests and to foster inclusive and sustainable trade practice. Evidence-based policy. Evidence employs analytic for decision making. Stakeholder engagement involve diverse groups in policy formulation. Innovation ensure modernizing progress. And four is global collaboration. Focus on partnership benefit. Thank you for the watching. My name is Muhammad Faizan. Bye bye. Adios.